Yo yo yo. What is up, y'all? Miss me? Now you will. Let's proceed with our nutrition facts. Step 51. Our first no divider class has a divider class after it. So we gotta create another divider class after our second no divider element. Why, you ask? 'Cause we need to add separate dividers below our no divider elements. Step 52. Let's create another paragraph element with the text trans fat 0 grams. Then gotta put trans in italics font mode. It might sound racist, but trust me, it's not. Then we gotta set paragraphs class as indent no divider. Finally, wrap trans fat 0 grams in a span element for alignment. If you listen to this without context, it might sound so wrong. Please give out context to people when needed. Step 53. Let's create another divider after our last paragraph element. Step 54. Now it's time to create another paragraph element with the text cholesterol 0 mg 0%. Then we gotta wrap cholesterol in a span same with 0% and give each bold class. Finally, bring cholesterol and 0 mg close by wrapping it with another span. Step 55. Let's create another paragraph element with the text sodium 160 mg 7%. But sodium and 7% each get their own span with the class set to bold. Bring sodium and 160 together by adding another span. Step 56. Let's add another paragraph element with the text total carbohydrate and 13%. Then make total carbohydrate and 13% bold by using span elements. Then we gotta wrap total carbohydrate and 37 grams together using span for alignment again. Step 57. Now it's time to add another paragraph with the text dietary fiber 4 grams. Then add the class indent no divider. Then create a new divider below that paragraph element. Step 58. There are lots of similar steps, y'all. Anyhow, let's create another paragraph element after our last divider element and give it a text total sugars 12 grams and give it a class of indent no divider. Then create another divider below our new paragraph element. Step 59. If you use dividers, you can apply any specific classes to style them individually. So, let's add double indent to the class of our last divider. Step 60. Let's create a double indent class selector and give it a left margin of 2 em. Alright, that was all for today, folks. Hope you like, share, comment on my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.